Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Westman Atelier. Give you the name and now I'm going to give you the color. So super excited to use this product because I just love the bronzer from Westman Atelier and I wanted to try more from the brand. So I went ahead and I bought myself this one. It was on my wish list and now it's in my cart, in my collection. The packaging is absolutely stunning and the way they craft every single step, I just love that because step by step when you do something carefully it shows. So I just love the packaging and it comes in this satchel and I love this. It's very cute. I can make use of it. I usually do not use it for the product. I use it for some other purpose, like I keep my brushes in it or something makeup related, and it is very beautiful. Okay, so that's the product and I chose the color red. That is my obvious choice. Most of the time I go for reds, oranges, something berry like that. So I got this color and it is a liquid balm. Yesterday I tried it a little because I was very excited to try it on. So I'm just putting this on my lips now and then I will tell you my experience with it. So it's a beautiful textured product. So you can see that it is like a lip oil, but it has got a little bit creaminess to it, and that's what it's a mix of balm and rich oil, which is very pleasing to senses. It has got a very light, almost undetectable citrus kind of scent to it, which I love, and it is instantly plumping up the lips because naturally it is giving the hydration, actually the moisturization and locking the hydration, and you can see the plumpness, the instant healthy lips kind of feel with this. And look at the details. Every detail is so beautifully done. I mean, every single piece is carefully crafted, and that's what their brand is all about. It is clean, it's carefully crafted beauty, and it shows that they have eye for details, and I just love that when brands do that. Every single piece is carefully put together intact, and love the whole vibe, the whole feel of every piece they are putting out. So there are a couple of products there on the website, so I'm trying one by one because I'm taking my time to enjoy each product. I'm loving the bronzer and to buy a couple of more products from the brand. Very much interested in the cheek tints, and I wanted to go for the lip butters and balmy kind of treatment kind of lipsticks. I think I'm in that mode. So one after one I'm adding lip products to my collection because summertime, revival time, remember, I love that vibe. You cannot overdo with it. Color, healthy glow. Another product that I can keep in my handbag and I don't need any mirror to apply it on. Squeaky clean, squeak. I am very squeaky happy with the product. Love it when I can do a lot of things with it because it is made with beautiful ingredients in it, all healthy, good ingredients that my skin loves, right? So that's why I'm very at peace that I can use it on my lips, and I would totally go with it on my cheek as well because look at the color. This will give that beautiful rosy flush to my cheeks, and when it is not sticky and it can just blend lovely on the cheek as well. and I love that liquid highlighter feel on my cheeks, and it just adds that, you know, beautiful plumped up, glowy, summery cheek as well. So look at that, instantly you can see the difference. So I love that kind of cheek which is prominent, and at the same time it just feels like that you are just, you know, coming from a walk, a brisk walk kind of feel. All the blood flow and freshness flowing here on the face. So I just love that, and that is why I'm so excited about this product too. It just meshes with the skin. I don't need to blend a lot, anything. The bronzer was amazing. It is still my #1 favorite. I've tried a lot of bronzers, but that was amazing. Where did it go? This was amazing. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And now I'm very much in love with this product. I just got it yesterday and I have used it couple of times. It's that kind of product. It will just instantly attract you and give you all the healthiness it can offer, and absolutely amazed with the product quality, the product texture, color, everything. So what else I can tell you about it? It's like you know, a beautiful, rich, healthy treatment for your lips, which will make you interested in it. You will not feel bored with it, like, yeah, it's a lip treatment. It's a lip treatment, a luxurious one, a rich one with a beautiful color, lovely. So I'm really impressed with all the products that I'm trying from Westman Atelier. Love the whole vibe of the brand, and of course would love to try more and more from the brand. And you will see on this channel me trying all the lovely products and some information your way if you want to check out the brand and the products that I'm showing on my channel. So for that, subscribe my friends and hit the bell button because you will get notified, and of course comment because I love to interact with all of you beauty lovers. And like the video, share with your friends and family because that means a lot to me. Your time, I really appreciate it. And of course, I am coming back on Friday with something exciting, and stay tuned. Bye. Let me enjoy this treatment throughout the day, and I would post some pictures on Instagram. To check that out, follow me, somaroy.chaudhary. That is my Instagram account, and there are a lot of beautiful pictures. So on that note, bye. Have a fun summer day. Enjoy the summer.